Yo, what's going on, guys? Really two here, back again with another how to make money tutorial. And this time I'm doing an app called Smores. I'm gonna put the link down below so you guys can download the app in the App Store, the Google Play Store. So basically, you literally don't do anything just to make money. All you gotta do is just open up your lock screen every single day with this app, and you can get 10 points a day, or you can earn more points by referring friends or taking surveys. So basically, if I refer you guys get 20 you get like 50 points when I refer you. But yeah, it's not bad. I get 25 points after I share this app with you guys and you sign up and everything. But that's after 10 days. So 10 days, 25 points doesn't mean that much because you get 10 points a day. You make it like $1 a week pretty much. And this app is really good because it's not a scam. Like I assume like the minimum to redeem is $1 or whatever, all or $1. After you click that redeem button, less than 30 seconds, this app will send you an email showing you the gift card code. I mean, it's really fast. This is a great app because it's not a scam like most other apps. I mean, my last videos, the apps I showed you guys, they aren't scams at all. They're like the same thing. And Dosh, you have to sign up with a credit card. I know most of you guys who are younger don't have a card to sign up. But this is a good app. Pretty much you just make money by just opening up your lock screen. So, no further ado, enter my code. I will put the code down below in the description. It is, in all caps, 7T1XQY. That's it. But I'll put that down below in the description and in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.